Hi foodies, welcome to MellowBites Instant Pot Recipes episode number 1. In this episode, we are going to make super yummy country chicken biryani. Let's start. Take a teaspoon of fennel seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 6 to 8 clove-sized ginger, 8 garlic cloves, a handful of cilantro, 1 inch cinnamon, 4 cloves, 2 cardamoms, 2 star anise, a bay leaf, a tablespoon of coriander seeds, 4 green chilies, and a handful of mint, and blend it into a nice coarse paste. Let's start making chicken biryani in Instant Pot. Switch on the Instant Pot, click on the saute mode and set high temperature for 10 minutes. Wait for the Instant Pot to preheat and once it comes to cooking mode, there will be a beep sound. Then let's start adding 2 tablespoons of oil into our Instant Pot. You can also add ghee, but here I am adding oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 thinly sliced onions and saute it very well until it turns nicely golden. When the onion turns golden, add half teaspoon of turmeric, adequate salt for the chicken, and mix it well. Let's throw in 1 finely chopped tomato and then saute it until it turns a little mushy. Here I have taken half kg of clean cut country chicken. Let's put in this. I love cooking chicken biryani with this country chicken. This has more intense flavor and it's more healthy than the regular chicken. Saute it very well for 1 minute and then here I have the ground masala paste. Let's throw in and coat this masala paste very well over the chicken. Biryani always tastes so good when you grind the masala very fresh. Do try this recipe, you'll love it. Saute for at least 3 minutes and then saute very well. I am going to add half teaspoon of chili powder to add more spice to the biryani. You can skip very well if you don't want that. After 3 to 4 minutes, let's add in half cup of water. Close the Instant Pot. Cancel the saute mode and switch on the pressure cook mode. I am choosing the customized chicken option here and cooking it on high for 10 minutes. You can also cook it in normal pressure cook custom mode for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's clean the rice. I have taken 2 cups of Siraga Samba rice. This tastes great for biryani. You can also use basmati rice. Both needs the same amount of water when you use an Instant Pot. So keep it soaked. After 10 minutes, you can keep it in warm condition for 13 minutes. But here I am going to vent out the steam and wait for the whistle to get low. Once this gets lowered down, we can open the Instant Pot. Look here how beautifully the chicken has been cooked. But the chicken has oozed out enough water, so let's make sure this water is being steamed out and the masala coats very well over the chicken. So I'm going to switch on the saute mode again and wait for the water to completely drain off. Within 3 minutes the water was completely drained off. Look here, now it's just the masala and the chicken. Water is drained off. Let's add in 2 cups of coconut milk. This coconut milk gives extra richness and creaminess to the biryani, and when it starts boiling, I am adding the 2 cups of washed biryani rice into it. When you cook rice in Instant Pot, it actually needs very less water, so here adding this 2 cups of coconut milk is itself enough for cooking the rice. Add adequate salt that's needed for the rice, and now let's switch on the rice or grain option in the Instant Pot and switch on the Instant Pot. It cooks on low for 12 minutes. You need not worry about what's happening next. Your biryani is done. Trust me. You can watch TV, you can sit, relax, and after 12 minutes, look here how beautifully the rice has been cooked. Look at this chicken biryani. I'm just topping it up with cilantro and look at this chicken biryani. It's just wow. I love to cook biryani in my Instant Pot because it's really so good. The taste is more like a dum biryani, but whereas you don't need to actually put more efforts in making this biryani like you do in dum biryani. Your water consistency is going to be just perfect and the rice is going to get very beautifully cooked. What more do you need? Try this Instant Pot chicken biryani and do leave a comment, and if you want the link of the Instant Pot that I have been using, I'll leave it down and you can even check the review. Meet you in another video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.